In this lesson, we are now connected to the SAP system with the credentials of the manager. So we are assuming that role, and we will show the way workflow helps to streamline business processes, because the trainee parked the document, and when that happened, the workflow was immediately started and it sent a workflow item to the inbox of the manager. This has deep consequences because, as you will see, the trainee will never have to lose time writing a long email explaining the situation to the manager. But what is most important is that you should realize that workflow is not just plain text. As we will show in the next few steps, the workflow item in the manager's inbox will have an execute option that we can just click this option and it will immediately take us to the authorization transaction. But what is even more important is that in this authorization screen, of course, we will have all the details of the original document, so we can just check them and evaluate them. But the managers will also have two very big push buttons. That one is approve and the other one is reject. So of course, if something is wrong, we can just push reject, and the document will get back to the trainee, so that the trainee can correct the document. Actually, we can even attach a note. And if we just go with approve, the workflow will run some steps automatically, because the workflow will post the document just after we have just clicked approved. This is the real power behind workflow, and it should never be discarded just as plain text. To show this, let's open the business workplace for the manager. As you can see, we have connected now with the manager's credentials. And let's expand the inbox and the workflow section actually inside the inbox. Because as you can see, we only have one line here, one workflow item, because only one trainee has parked one document. And of course, we have all the details also like at the bottom of the screen. But what is really important is that if you analyze the top section, here we have the execute icon that we didn't have that for the other the outbox of the trainee. So with the line selected, let's click that execute icon. Of course, the system will just show all the data for the document, and we are the managers, so our work is just to see that all the information is correct. We have to check the dates, that the dates are correct, the amount, maybe the tax code, of course the accounts, even the assignment to the in this scenario to a cost center, right? So we can look for the cost center field, check that the assignment has been done correctly, and in this scenario everything is fine. So these are the two options that we were discussing. Of course, for this exercise, let's just click release. And actually, the system will just take us back to the inbox. But that is fine, because behind the curtains, the system has already posted the document. And we no longer have that as a pending workflow. We have finished our work with that particular workflow. So that's fine for what we wanted with this exercise. In the next lessons, we will see even the log, check the log again so we can see what happened, and check if this is actually a document that is now posted, and it will show up in the financial statements. So for the time being, let's just close the inbox. And with this, again, we have finished the lesson, inviting you to learn with the next lessons.